remember days when we were all alone.
And the home team have been announced. Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today.
I win, you lose. It's only for us two. I win, you lose.
Striker's ball.
Fuck. Кажется, люди остаются на покончестве.
Out of the danger zone there. Really well played. Striker's ball. Oh, he takes the ball cleanly. Did well to win the ball back. Oh, great tackle. Can they make it count?
Вот.
Oh, good catch by the keeper.
Нет, седьмой. Вот.
Gets the shot in. He got a good hand behind that. The referee has indicated the corner. Now, can they make something of this? Heads to That's well off target.
Сколько это люди бьют?
Dyer. Line with the tackle. Oh, great tackle. Striker's ball. And he's back in possession. And he shoots. Fourth officials indicating 1 minute of stoppage time. Well, that's the first half then. Defending has been questionable at times. Some stern words from the manager in the interval, I imagine. Off we go here. Managers have had a chance to have a word with their players, and it's still anyone's game. Oh, we did really well there. Lost inside. And he's back in possession. The assistant catches flag down. He's onside. Really good possession here. Line with the tackles. Cross the line. It's out of play.
What the fuck is it on?
Pulls the trigger. Oh, good block there.
Я кстати, не гадаю.
What a well-timed tackle. And he's back in possession. Abdi. Great tackle. No cards from the referee today. What a well-timed tackle. Passed inside. tackle. Defenders are looking to the assistant for the flag step. That's a safe piece of goalkeeping. He chooses to throw this one out. Great tackle. That's a safe piece of goalkeeping. Striker's ball. That's a bit cynical, really. It's going to be a free kick. Looks like he's injured here. Oh, and it's the first card of the day, and it's yellow. Confident goalkeeping there.
Goal.
He chooses to throw this one out. That's full time, and we're also on to extra time and possibly penalties. Players just beginning to look fatigued. I think it's going to take an individual moment of brilliance to separate these two sides. What a well-timed tackle. Great tackle. And he's back in possession. What a well-timed tackle. Well intercepted. By Lucas. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball, and he's back in possession. Now, that was close, not much in it there at all.
All alone if you would have.
15 minutes left to avoid the dreaded penalty shootout. To the bottom corner.